Before, after.
You look older there.
Older.
You look older. Yeah, but in personal, you're so cute.
For the, you can use for here or face. And then this one,
You can use this to our feet and also to our face. No, because his face is like feet.
I know. Two bigger pore,
like this, like this.
like you.
Oh my God.
And you face skin, you pour oils every day.
Check out tagpilan eh.
Welcome to Dude's Torta!
Welcome to Dude's Torta! Ako mabarog! Welcome to Dude's Torta!
Hello mga dudong mga inday, welcome to my channel. Ang Dude's Torta, karon sabay ta, suruyon ta ang South Korea. Tara, sabay ta, dinhilang sa Dude's Torta. Tara! Gawas ta. Kay gaso-aso ang ato ang mas katugnaw diri ko mo gawas na. Hello mga dudes, diri ta karon sa Myeongdong, South Korea.
Pieces, $12 for this night.
Christmas for what? What's the purpose of that?
For moisturizer, brightening, anti-aging.
Like this?
It's for whole face.
For whole face.
Come and see.
Come and see.
We have different 5 types different. You see, such another.
Yeah. Wait, because we have two company, yeah. We'll wait them. Come on,
It's still here!
ay, mabilis saya. Ay, wow, hello, ma'am. Ano ba yan? Oh, Ma'am Doreen, may just try that. Testing. Di ba magsinaw?
So just makahabis na siya ng
Ah, antibacterial. Wow, is that true? Is that true? That your face?
I show you, I use that.
Oh,
She's with no boss, is a manager. Look like manager.
manager.
But me also do that. One already.
You apply that?
I use that.
You use that? Yeah.
I use that already 5 months.
That's yours. Ah,
What's that? Before, after. For
you look older there.
older.
You look older. Yeah, but in personal, you're so cute.
It's before 5 months before.
Only 5 months.
From
What are
June.
you using?
This one.
She used that one.
24K?
24K is for the dark spot and the pink tone acne skin. Yeah, so buy one get one free to borrow this price. But if you buy one set free, one set too many service. Oh, 99 borrow for 2.
99 is in peso. If you convert that to peso, is 55. Ay,
Peso. This one.
yeah.
Oh, 99,000 for 2.
4,200. Ay,
2. Each one this price.
2,000.
How long does it take? Last? How many months? No 2 months. 1 month, 15 days up down.
How many times? Layla!
So one bottle is effective. Is it okay? One bottle? If you use that one bottle,
Need to
so there is a good result for that.
I say only one mask can't. Only one mask help you brightening. But you bigger pore, you need more.
1 year.
No, 1 year. 2 mask, 3 mask can change. But first one mask can brighten your pore.
Yeah.
Pores look like pimple after.
Yeah.
Bright for your pimple after.
Pink.
Pimple.
Pimple. To lighten your pimple marks.
Pimple after dark.
The pores,
Pimple marks.
or the pore, pimple. Yeah.
First one mask help your all face bright.
How many times will I apply in our face? Morning and evening?
Day and
And
night.
day and night.
Every day and night. And from 2 masks or 3 masks more tightening your pore. And you have red skin. I before have too red skin, sensitive. I know chick no sick, but too red. This recommend remove your red, calm down, remove. And from this,
In your face, how many bottles that you used for that good result?
right now I already finished the 2 bottle, and right now new
2 bottle.
bottle, 1 more right now.
Ah, so you're on the third.
You're already
Yung isa ka bottle, 99?
Only
2 bottles for 99 won.
1.
2 bottles for 99.
One only. 1 bottle only.
Oh, buy
No,
one.
no. Oh, so this is $396 for 4
8. One set, free 1 set.
4 bottles.
Yeah. We
Oh my.
too many Philippine customers, but they are older. But they are rich, have money. So
Yeah.
one, they are first buy the 2 polo, and she come in Korea again buy the A. Many people.
They are rich.
Me no.
They those
I
people
work
who buy
in knowledge.
those.
Yes, SM. I worker.
You work. You said that there's someone that they buy this one, and after how many months they go back and buy another one, another set. You said that's why I said that they are rich
They are.
because they are rich.
Yeah. They are rich. They are rich.
Yeah,
Because they are, I show the customer this photo, but first they are no 100% believe me, so they are want to try.
Peel. Ito mag-peel ba?
Do you have peeling ano?
Let's try
In the face ba?
face.
Yeah.
Who try for free? Try for free.
Dati is that for face?
Face, facial, body and facial.
Peeling?
Healing, redhead, body and facial.
It
Okay, how
will.
much?
One is 12,000.
12,000.
Oh, it's okay.
Try it.
12,000?
12,000.
Barato na, sige.
You try.
Barato ra kay 500 naman almost ang kuan ba?
Why? We will also buy.
How about
For the you can use for here or face. And then this one, no stronger. First, soft for your dead skin and easy clear. No essence, no stronger. Very soft. This one.
so I think it's different.
48,000. Tax free 2,000 and only pay for 46 because you can tax free. And
Kaya nga kung bahin mo, no?
Lima na? Okay.
We can use this to our feet and also to our face.
Face.
No, because his face is like feet. Like,
I know. Scary.
you scared me. No, I'm just joking.
Pati ang kamot.
You touch.
You touch.
Dead skin.
Ikaw jud iyang gipili kay
Okay.
itom ka lagom.
Ay, oh, nice.
Wow.
Palitan na. Good.
You can try that to his face
For
yourself.
Once a week.
Once a week. Once a week.
Only once a week. Once a week.
But sir, look like too oily skin, bigger pore skin. I recommend 1 week 2 times.
One or 2 times a week.
So 2 bigger pore, bigger
Like this.
like you.
Oh my God! You're telling me the truth.
No,
No.
just a joke.
Yeah. Same. Back to you guys.
So no more skin once a week, but to pimple and the bigger pore, I recommend first to 1 week 2 times, and after you can 1 week 1 time because for make more tightening, more smaller. This one can clear outside blackhead, whitehead, outside dead skin.
Okay.
So
How to use this one in the morning before you go out from home?
anytime.
Anytime.
If you have time, you do that.
So in the morning,
No,
in evening, no.
So before shower,
Before shower, you do that.
you first
What's
use that and then you shower.
Okay. So you have to rest for how many, or soak that one for how many minutes or hour, or
No.
after you applied and you can go to bath, yeah?
No,
Or how?
not to power. Just the massage. Is this for face? Whitening? It's a whitening for face. Sunblock. We have sun.
So just wash and
Just no power.
yeah, just rub, yeah.
Just cross, massage.
Massage
Quickly.
then.
No, quickly. My meat is just a massage already clear.
Yeah.
And you face skin, you pour oil every day.
Check out tagpila ni.
It's scary again. No, because you're nice. You're nice.
It's not my own, so you try.
They bring you home.
Are you single? Are you single?
Stop.
Sunblock.
And
What's the use of that sunblock? Sunblock.
Basan.
stop.
What?
Stop.
I don't talk.
You don't talk, please.
Yeah.
Meet.
What's me chow? No, don't talk.
Lita lang,
This
lita.
one you touch, no sticky.
No,
The weather, our weather in back.
So hot.
Very hot.
Very hot, very good because no sticky. This one is no anymore, no alcohol. You touch right now, no sticky. But this is for moisturizer. And then
How much?
okay, what?
So many na. So more.
This is water. Philippine, right? Too
Yeah.
hot. Too hot.
Yeah.
You go swimming also, okay? So waterproof. You try it. You go? Water. No problem.
So only one day or the whole day.
For a whole day. Face, neck, whole body.
Ay.
Anything else in the face? This is the first layer.
You make up. You use the
Or
and the
is this the
makeup.
last?
The first before
You use
makeup.
that and the makeup. So toner, emerging cream, and this one and the makeup.
Nagbunog ng ulan.
You know what? Nagbunok ng ulan. You know?
Sige na, laban na.
What are you saying?
So easy.
No other.
What's my vlog? I am vlogging this time.
He's vlogging ba?
Yeah. Perhaps you will be viral in my channel or my FB page.
It's for you touch.
Not
no
beauty.
sticky.
Oh, no sticky.
For makeup base, super good. Help your makeup keep long time.
Okay, so
Because
this is the last part of the makeup.
The first.
The first.
And the
Before you put your makeup.
How about this? What is this?
cream.
Huwag pagay ka na human atong isa.
Gusto ko na, I am very interested in whitening ba? Whitening.
Whitening.
Which is the
You know ako.
no smell.
Humot kay Jai.
Very good.
Kana na.
You try that
Hala,
one.
ginoo ko.
Sige ka na.
So men like sports, right?
Wow.
You see, we will buy. You entertain us and we will buy.
I
We
love
will not buy.
Wow. I love you too. Sharanghi. Sharanghi.
He will
Muna na.
ulan.
And then you touch, no sticky. So natural color, no too white. Okay?
No
No
to.
too white. It's natural color.
Now,
No
how about
sticky.
this one? Whitening.
Let's go.
Gay na pa na siya ng whitening.
Over there is super good. Or face bright.
Di lang, mahal. Mahal.
Mahal.
Very mahal.
No matter.
Have you been to Manila? To Philippines?
I've been for Cebu.
Cebu? Wow. Cebu. Cebu and Bohol. Wow. How about that apple, ma'am? Kana i-divide na nato or inyo na na? Ah.
Yahaan duha ka, Ma'am Lyra.
You have to apply this one before taking a bath.
This 46.
No.
Ah?
Pag mag-wash ka ng face, mag-cleanser ka, humanin mo.
$46. 46
Yeah.
won.
Kung gahunin mo tanan mo nawong, i-apply mo na niya. 46 won.
Kani?
Isa dun sa masabon.
Nasa na Gcash?
Ang sama na.
So 76 around.
Bahala na sila.
Okay.
Good.
This one.
1,000 won. 1,000.
1,000.
No together? No
Together.
Together and together again.
No together.
What's
Why not try to give us?
the cheapest? The cheap amount.
What's the cheapest? Buy one get one free. But I give you face mask for free. Good face mask.
No, we don't like Christmas.
You have some Gcash payment here. They are tax free. No. Naman siya rin ako naman. You have some Gcash? No. What's Gcash? Gcash?
Here.
Gcash?
This one.
Oh, I see. This one? No. This one? This one.
No.
Ready.
Dirty?
Lane?
Just dirty. Your face is dirty.
We'll pay na.
We'll pay.
For us?
Murag sa Ma'am Dundil, oh.
For this price, but this one you over there together pay.
Together
and
pay.
Minus 7,000 for tax. They are only pay for 92,000. No.
No.
Only one try.
No.
No. My is only 50% discount. Only one. No buy one get one. It's just the one. 45,000. This one.
No, I cannot go home now. Just give us free. For remembrance.
Like
Like.
we have one. But it's online. Just the one hard working. So I go to
Philippines.
study.
Wow. How many years?
Philippines.
Yeah.
4 months.
I only 4 months. Just to study English.
Just to study and plane, travel, vacation.
Vacation. Wow. So rich.
For 4 months, you learn English?
But before I can look like children, speak like children.
What tutor?
Right now, look like 10 years old children. Before more. Okay.
Okay.
Totally 85,000. Tax free 5,000. Only pay for 80,000. Okay.
Wow. Thank you for the discount. You're very nice. The Koreans are good people. Like you. Yeah, and beautiful. You have good skin. The Filipino skin is skimiang.
Okay.
How many men? Two.
Yan! Kamsahamnida!
Check. One piece 3,000.
Uy! Kamsahamnida! You're so nice. Kamsahamnida!
Are you add her in your Facebook?
Yeah! Welcome to my YouTube channel.
I will add her.
Hello, bye-bye to my YouTube channel. Hello.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Kamsahamnida! Kamsahamnida!
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a
Bye-bye.
good trip.
Yes! It's wrong.
China is number one.
Are you from China?
Yeah.
Ah! Bye, thank you. Kamsahamnida. Welcome. Uy, ginoo ko. ang mga basang sisiw nagkurog. Basang-basa sa ulan. Uy, sukurog-kurog. Nagkurog akong
A few moments later.
Hello mga dudes, sumana dyan kami og tour today sa South Korea. Nanghipos na sila sa ilahang pasalubong.
Hi.
Annyeong.
Annyeong.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Kamsahamnida.
Sama nila.
Kasamnida. Asa sinida?
Sanida.
Kamsamnida, Korea.
Sanida.
Yeah. Sige, ako po. Mga ano sab ko, kanilang mga pasalubong.
Ang tanggalon daan sa aron dili na kaayo daghan.
Bulky.
Bulky.
Para
Gamit
makakontag
yung sulod siya dito
space.
sa backpack.
Yes.
Nice.
Wow, nice idea. That's idea coming from our brilliant Jillian.
Dili na mo carton dire.
Yeah. Sige. Ako food. Napod ko. So I have here pasalubong sa family. O kamsahamnida. Sige, thank you very much. Yeah, hantod sa sunod na to nga mga video sabay ta dinhilang sa Dude Store ta. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Sa pagkakaroon, bye-bye!